In this Your Stinger on the Road tutorial, we are going to show you what happens when encountering a section control speed trap. This video is for Stinger users with a View interface. A section control speed trap measures your average speed over a fixed distance, which is called a section. At the beginning of a section, your license plate is scanned by a camera above or next to the road. Later on, at the end of the section, your license plate is scanned again. By knowing the distance of the section and the time it took for you to drive through it, the section control can calculate your average speed. So how do you know what your exact average speed is? Your Stinger will assist you. When you are driving towards a section control, your View gives you a visual and an audio alert. This is the speed limit in this section. Some section controls have speed limits that change depending on the time of day. Your Stinger can automatically adjust to the correct speed limit. You can also change the set speed limit manually. Just press on the speed sign and change the value. You might notice that in this tutorial we're showing European-style speed limit signs. In other regions, such as North America, the Stinger will display US-style signs. About 15 seconds after the initial alert, you enter the section control. Your View gives you the following information. This is the remaining distance of the section in numbers and as a graphic. Your real-time average speed from the beginning of the section until now. As long as your average speed is on or under the limit, you'll see a green smiley face. When your average speed becomes slightly too high, you will be warned with an audio alert as well as a yellow neutral face. When your Stinger thinks your average speed becomes ticketably high, you will be warned with a more intense audio alert and the screen will turn red and display a sad face. At this point, you need to slow down to lower your average speed before the section control ends. When exiting the section control, your Stinger will give an audio alert and show you your final average speed. Some section controls are divided into several smaller section controls, for instance, when there are highway exits. Your Stinger will guide you through these section controls as separate speed measurements. Section control alerting is part of the Stinger spot list. Please update your Stinger on a regular basis to make sure you have the latest spot list with current speed traps and section controls. Updating is easy. Connect the Stinger USB key to the Stinger desktop app on your Mac or PC. Check out the Stinger desktop video tutorials on how to update your Stinger. Thanks for watching this video. Please check out our other tutorials on how to optimize your Stinger experience and protect yourself even better against speed traps.